In this video, we're going to update Brand California with Seikel suspension kit, Delta wheels, Delta fender flares, and an update for the battery kit. Alright, we're going to start to fit the suspension. We just received the parts. Let's start unboxing. So here's the kit. Niklas is gonna replace the front dampers, rear dampers. Then we have the blocks to make the height distance. With this kit, we are gonna raise the ride height with 30 millimeters. So we are installing the Lazer LED 7050 LED lights. They will be integrated, and we are going to operate them from the normal high beam switch. So there will be no other extra button or anything. But let's do the unboxing. There is the lights, loom with the relay and the switch. But this switch we are not going to use. We are going to integrate it to the car. Two of these integrated in the front grille. Niklas has already taken out the bumper. We're gonna cut here and integrate the extra lights over here, and then plug it in. Wiring work will be done a little bit later. Same time when we upgrade the battery. So the Lazer high beam works seamlessly with the original headlights. You can use it with the high beam lever like normally without any extra buttons. We didn't want to fit any bars over here, so we integrated the lights with the Lazer kit. Niklas had to cut the front grille, and like you can see, the result is awesome. Alright, we just received the parts. Now we will start to fit the fenders, fine-tune them so they will fit perfectly, and then I will drive down to Mietoinen Automaalamo, where colleague Antti will give them the same paint color as the chassis has. Alright, so fenders are in. Next thing is we are going to do some detailing. I want to make a nice seal. I'm using this tape for that. This is detailing tape, which you can stretch and put in all sorts of angles. Yeah, and then we are gonna pull a black silicone seal over there to finish the look. Now when the seal is done, it looks really good, really finished. There it is. Alright, so last evening we got the parts, we have them here. Today we can start to fit them. I'm early bird, excited to get to work. But here it is, battery, inverter, looming, and chargers and stuff like that. Ed, what are you doing?
Pulling the external battery for the extra batteries.
Alright, so we've pulled the cable all the way through. Next thing is we are going to tidy it up, put the panelings back. Then we will start to work on the rear cabin. start to fit the batteries and the inverter there. So far so good.
Yeah, so far so good.
All right, so we are done with the work over here under the seat and the heating. So we have now second switch for the inverter. Easy to use. I will still a little bit clean out here and then put the seat back on. Next thing is we are gonna need to start to work on the rear cabin. All right, so the extra battery system is installed in the rear technical cabinet. Here we see the green one is the battery. We have also option to have second battery underneath this first one. Then you have 2 times 150 ampere hours capacity. The blue one is a optional inverter, 1600 watts. We have plugged this in so that you can use the electricity from all the original sockets inside the car. The control for the inverter works from the same place where you have the extra heating control. The battery upgrade is fully integrated with the Volkswagen system. So from the panel above there you can see the consumption. So I've stayed with this car in over a few nights without any external electricity, with the heating on, taking a shower, cooking, fridge on, like normal living. And yeah, the battery is really strong. You can extend your stay for 2 to 3 nights without starting the car. The car is finished. We ended up upgrading the external battery system, lift kit, white body kit, Delta off-road wheels, and the extra high beam laser lights. So now with the off-road upgrades, you can take the car to the forest and live self-sufficient for several days. If you want this upgrade, go and visit our website lmsservice.fi. Comment down below which upgrade was your favorite. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. See you next time.